Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Hope you are studying at home very seriously and you are also very regular with our e-learning online class. Welcome to all of you in our e-learning online class. Today's class is about the question of the passage of Independence Day. Okay, today's class is for class 9 and 10, and you will find these passages in Unit 3 and Lesson 5. Okay, I have mentioned 5 questions for you, and before going to questions, you should have idea about tense. You should have thought. You should have thought what tense is in the question. If the question is in present tense, you should answer in present tense, and if the question is in past tense, you should have answered in past tense. Okay, first of all, what is the biggest state festival in our country? The question, what is the biggest state festival in our country? আমাদের দেশের সবচাইতে বড় রাষ্ট্রীয় উৎসব কোনটি? Answer is very simple. What instead of what এর পরিবর্তে 26 March Independence Day. Independence Day is the biggest state festival in our country. তারপরে বাকিটুকু। Okay. Next question. How does the Independence Day begin? এই Independence Day টা স্বাধীনতা দিবসটা কিভাবে শুরু হয়? The question we are noticing extra es with the auxiliary verb. So in the answer we should also use extra s with the verb. How does the Independence Day begin? কিভাবে স্বাধীনতা দিবসটা শুরু হয়? The answer is the Independence Day begins extra s because of does. You should have used extra s with the main verb. The Independence Day begins with 31 gunshots. Okay, that's the answer of this question. Next question for you. Why do all people go to the mausoleum? কেন সকল শ্রেণীর মানুষ স্মৃতিসৌধে যায়? The answer is all people go to the mausoleum because, or you may also use to. All people go to the mausoleum to pay tribute to the freedom fighters of our liberation war. অর্থাৎ সকল শ্রেণীর মানুষ মৌসুলিয়ামে যায়, স্মৃতিসৌধে যায় সম্মান প্রদর্শন করতে, সম্মান দেখাতে, স্বাধীনতা যুদ্ধে শহীদদের প্রতি সম্মান দেখাতে। The next question, who take part in smartly dressed parade? অর্থাৎ কে অংশগ্রহণ করে চমকপ্রদ পোশাক পরিধানকারী প্যারেডে, প্রদর্শনীতে কে অংশগ্রহণ করে বা কারা অংশগ্রহণ করে? ওকে, the answer is defense ফোর্সেস, প্রতিরক্ষা বাহিনী, ডিফেন্স ফোর্সেস, পুলিশ, পুলিশ অংশগ্রহণ করে, আনসার্স, বর্ডার গার্ডস, and BDP. Village Defense Party. Okay. Take part in smartly dressed parade. Defense forces, answers, border guards, and BDP take part in smartly dressed parade. তারা অংশগ্রহণ করে। Last question for you. Which organizations arrange cultural functions on the occasion of our Independence Day and why? অর্থাৎ কোন সংগঠনগুলো সাংস্কৃতিক অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজন করে এই ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্স স্বাধীনতা দিবসের এই অনুষ্ঠানে এবং কেন? The answer is different governments and non-government government and non-government organizations arrange cultural functions on the occasion of our Independence Day. That is the first answer of this question. Different government and non-government organizations arrange cultural functions on the occasion of our Independence Day. That's the first question. First answer of this question. And the second question, why? The answer of the second question is because they want to highlight কারণ তারা আলোকপাত করতে চায় বা তুলে ধরতে চায়, শিরোনাম করতে চায় the heroic struggle and sacrifice of the freedom fighters through the occasion. Okay, that's the second part of the second answer of the question. Because কারণ they want to highlight the heroic struggle, কারণ তারা হাইলাইট করতে চায় বীরত্বপূর্ণ স্ট্রাগল, সংগ্রাম and sacrifice, আত্মত্যাগ of the freedom ফাইটারদের আত্মত্যাগটাকে তারা কি করতে চায়, হাইলাইট করতে চায় through the occasion, এই অনুষ্ঠানের মধ্য দিয়ে। Okay, that's the end of my lecture for today. Hope you have understood the class very clearly. Thank you very much.